So we have to now understand what are our maryadas, how we have to live within our maryadas, and I'm sure if you really work out your Sri Ganesha, for that the best is to meditate. Put yourself on some nice turf, grass, sit on that, put your left hand with the light and right hand on the Mother Earth and say Atharvashish. If you can remember it by heart, it's a very good thing, otherwise you can keep the book and read it. Or say Ganesha's mantra to begin with. It's going to help you very much. It's going to help you, your eyes, it's going to, your whole thing is going to be very nice.
Om Namaste Ganapataye Tvameva Pratyaksham Tasvamasi Tvameva Kevalam Kartasi Tvameva Kevalam Dhartasi Tvameva Kevalam Hartasi Tvameva Sarvam Khanvidam Brahmasi Tvam Sakshad Atmasi Nityam Vritam Vachmi Satyam Vachmi Avatvam Mam Avavaktaram Avashrotaram Avadhataram Avadhataram Avanuchanam Avshishyan Avapashchatat Avapurastat Avottaratat Avadakshinatat Avachordvatat Avadharatat Sarvato Mam Pahi Pahi Samantat Tvam Manmaya Tvam Chinmaya Tvam Anandamaya Tvam Brahmaya Tvam Satchidananda Dvityosi Tvam Pratyaksham Brahmasi Tvam Jnanamayo Vijnanamayosi Sarvam Jagadidam Tvatto Jayate Sarvam Jagadidam Tvattas Tishtati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Layameshyati Sarvam Jagadidam Tvai Pratyeti Tvam Bhumirapo Nalo Nilo Namaha Tvam Chatvari Vakpadani Tvam Gunatrayatitaha Tvam Nihatrayatitaha Tvam Kalatrayatitaha Tvam Vasthasitosi Nityam Tvam Shakti Trayatmakaha Tvam Yogino Dhyayanti Nityam Tvam Brahma Tvam Vishnu Tvam Rudra Tvam Indra Tvam Agni Tvam Vayu Tvam Surya Tvam Chandrama Tvam Brahma Bhupurva Svarom Karnadim Purva Mucharya Karnadim Tadantaram Anuswara Parattaraha Ardendu Lasitam Karira Viddham Etatta Manusvarupam Zakaro Purvarupam Akaro Madhyam Rupam Anuswara Shantarupam Bindu Ruttarupam Nada Sannanam Sauhita Sandhi Paisha Ganesha Vidya Ganaka Rishi Nitre Gayatri Chandaha Om Netaya Namaha Om Ganapataye Namaha Ekadantaya Vidmahe Vakratundaaya Dhimahi Tanno Danti Prachodayat Ekadantam Chaturahastam Pashamankushadharanam Radam Chavaradam Hasarabhibharam Mushakadvajam Raktam Lambhodaram Shurpakarnakam Raktavasasam Raktagandhanuliptangam Raktapushpai Supujitam भक्तानुकम्पिनं देवं जगत्कारणम् अच्युतम् आविर्भूतं सृष्टयादौ सेह पुरुषात् परम् एवं ध्यायति यो नित्यं स योगी योगिनां वरः नमो व्रातपतये नमो गणपतये नमो प्रथमपतये नमस्तेस्तु लंबोदराय एकदन्ताय विघ्ननाशिने शिवसुताय श्रीवरदमूर्तये नमो नमः। साक्षात् श्री गणेश जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः।